What's up, fellas? Oh yeah, today's gonna be awesome. You know why? Because we got the boat hooked up, but I've also got a little surprise for you. New trolling motor. We're gonna get it installed. I'm gonna take you guys along. Stay tuned.
We need this out here anyway. Cut the hole down through there.
Alright, so what we're trying to do here is we're gonna have to move this possibly over here because I want to put a recessed plate right here for my pedal. So we've got our dimensions measured out for the recessed pedal. Now we're gonna go into the shop and make the plate.
Spin it. Go easy. I think you should have stuck something in there so it keeps on moving. Alright, dude.
Dang, it's at an angle.
That's alright. I could have given you an extension on that thing. Like that. What are you hitting?
Nothing, I'm just making sure I'm doing it right.
Oh, I know. I come over here to get some vice grips and I walk right off.
So we just removed the carpet. Next, we're going to cut this box out and we're going to place the recessed plate inside there. Yesterday, I ran out of battery on my GoPro. I only had like 25% when we started the project, and so I could only do bits and pieces, but I wanted to share with you guys the project that I was doing on my boat. So what we did was we took the old trolling motor off. I'm gonna flip you around. Took the old trolling motor off and put the new Minn Kota Edge 70-pound thrust 24-volt trolling motor on, and we made a recessed foot pedal. So let me move this cord out of the way here. We made a recessed foot pedal. So I'm pretty excited about this. We took the trim plate and we moved it over because it used to sit over here somewhere, but I'm telling you, I'll show you a before and after. It looks 10 times better now, and I'm obsessed with the way that the recessed plate turned out. So we had to cut out some metal, and it honestly looked like a hack job at first, but the end product looks a lot better. I mean, we could have did it super quick and rushed through it, but we wanted to take our time and make it look pretty decent, and that's what we did, and I'm super excited about it. So I wouldn't have been able to do it without my grandpa. He helped me out, and so I'm super stoked to get it on the water. Plan on going this week and putting out a video for you guys. So I'm gonna head out to the river and see if we can get on some fish. What's up, YouTube fam? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that thumbs up, comment what you'd like to see next, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Until then, tight lines.